Hello, this is integrated dental units. You can see the model. It's presented itself with fourth of not spraying water from the nozzle. You can see the nozzle. Here is the water air nozzle here. It's not functioning, but you can access air. The air does come out by pressing here. Then this is the water. Nothing happens. It's supposed to be spraying water here at the sputum. This was the fault it presented itself with. And the second part of it is that we observe that there is a leakage here at the circuitry part of it, both electrical and the piping. So here from the under, I have been able to identify where the fault is from. You can see these two pipes here connecting to this very one. You can see. So I've been able to identify where the leakage is coming from. So I am going to fix this right now. But presently I have been able to study the system to find out why the air water spray nozzle refuse to do what? To spray water. Here is the nozzle here. Yes. So what I'm going to do without losing anything, first thing I'm going to try here is to look at the control. There's a control here. This is the control. I think the control is off. This is always hidden. If you are not careful, you will start dismantling a lot of things that you are looking for. But from what I have been able to observe here is that this very pure water control is off. So what I need to do now is just to put it on. You can see I've been able to put it on. Okay, let's go back to the spray gun now. This is water. Water and air comes out from this place. Okay, let's spray. This is air. Then let me press. This is air. Then this is for water. You can see now. So I've been able to rectify what the problem is without trying to lose or do much work. This is based on experience. So I've been able to rectify this very one. So what I'm going to do is to go down to this very part of the machine. You can see where the pipe, the sludge, you can see it's dripping now. You see? Can you see? This is as a result of this particular I'm going to fix it now. Okay, just watch and see. Okay. So you can see I've been able to fix the pipe, and then I will use this belt clip to fasten it very well so that it will have effective grip. So I've been able to fix this with the belt clip. Okay, I want to tie it as well. Okay, now we've been able to achieve this. Okay. Okay, let's spray again. You can see how this is both of them. This is water, this is air, this is the boats. You can see the combination. So I've been able to fix this. So we're done with this repair. and let me confirm if the seat is moving up. Okay, this is the buttons, and let's check the seat rest. It's coming up. Okay, so this is how to fix a faulty dental chair that doesn't display, or spray water. So you've been able to see where to control it. You can see the control. So you have been able to see how to repair a dental seat that doesn't spray water from the air water spray nozzle. So this is just where you need to come to. This very control here, you can see the position of the switches. You can see both of them are up. So once that is done, and your problem is solved. Thank you. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.